This is the story of how I use Feldenkrais to help Bonnie roll better. Hello, my name is Cheryl, Feldenkrais practitioner by day, passionate aikidoist at night. I love supporting martial artists to improve their performance. This is the story of how I worked with Bonnie to improve her rolling and Ukemi, which means falling with control in aikido. Let's meet Bonnie. Bonnie's in her 60s. She started aikido 4 years ago. She came to me because she wanted to improve her hip flexibility. Through training, she's developed good structural strength, but finds it difficult to be strong and mobile while training with bigger partners on the mat. We completed 10 in-person functional integration lessons to improve her performance in rolling and Ukemi. Here's what happened. In lesson 1, I asked Bonnie to roll, and I saw that she had bumpy transitions coming out of her front roll and onto her feet. She tended to load her weight into her knees each time she got ready to roll. Every time she rolled, she fell a short distance onto the mat, and she rolled easier on her left side than on her right side. Over 10 lessons, we changed her movement and improved her performance. We changed how she moved her spine so she had more freedom to shift weight, bend, and roll. We helped her pelvis to move more freely, reducing the strain and stiffness in her ribs and her hips. We created a more dynamic base of support in her feet and legs that helped increase the mobility of her pelvis. And we increased the integration of her arms and legs with her spine so she could roll more smoothly. By lesson 10, I asked Bonnie to roll, and I saw she lowered herself much closer to the mat to roll. She loaded her weight into her feet, not her knees. She connected with the mat as she rolled so she didn't fall before rolling. And she created a rounder shape so she could roll more smoothly. Bonnie wanted to improve her hip flexibility. In 10 lessons, we didn't fix her hips. Instead, we improved how she used all of her body so she could move more freely with better control.